I touch and salute the holy feet of Bharata Mata, the most powerful and the most merciful. Today, we are worshipping the great son of Mother Bharat, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji, on his 68th Mahaparinirvan Din at Chaitya Bhumi in Mumbai. On this day, the new Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shriman Devendra Fadnavis ji, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shriman Eknath Shinde ji, and our Deputy Chief Minister, Shriman Ajit Pawar ji, Shri Kolidas Klomakar ji, Shri Dilip Karsagar ji, Shri Mangal Prabhat Loda ji, Shri Sanjay Bansode ji, Shri Amar Chaple ji, Shri Praveen Tarikar ji, Shri Rajkumar Badale ji, Shri Amol Mitkari ji, Shri Narendra Jadhav ji, the ex-member of Parliament Rajya Sabha and a great scholar who has written the book on our great Babasaheb Ambedkar ji, which was released today, and Shri Naksen Kamble ji, Shri Babarao Ambedkar ji, Executive President Bharatiya Buddh Mahasabha, Dr. Rahul Bodhi ji, President Akhil Bharatiya Bhikkhu Sangh, the officials, Chief Secretary, Commissioner, BMC, the leading police officials, Bayu Begano, सबको नमस्कार. At the outset, I bow in deep respect to Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji. And every Indian citizen is paying the highest respect to him. I remember in 2014 when our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji was got elected for the first time as the Prime Minister, and he was entering into the Parliament. At that time, one journalist asked him, Mr. Prime Minister, which moral you are going to follow as the Prime Minister? The moral of Quran, or the moral of Bible, or the moral of Gita? Without any hesitation, our Prime Minister has said, I am going to follow the Constitution grafted by our great Babasaheb Ambedkar ji. That is the great contribution of our Babasaheb Dr. Ambedkar ji to the nation. That's why our country is a strong democratic republic even today, and it will be there forever. And it is a remarkable event because I have seen very orderly long queue of thousands, indeed lakhs of people waiting patiently and with remarkable discipline to pay their homage to Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji. I was informed that the devotees came here not only from different districts of Maharashtra but also from various states across the country to salute the life, vision, and legacy of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji. Their unwavering love, reverence, and discipled contact are truly inspiring. I convey my grateful appreciation to all the followers for upholding the sanctity of this occasion and this sacred site. I also commend the government of Maharashtra, the BMC, the state police, and the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Mahaparinirvan Din Samanvaya Samadhi and all the organizers for the excellent arrangements they made for this occasion. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji is revered across India as the principal architect of our constitution for countless Dalits and other marginalized communities. He is a beacon of hope and messiah of social justice, a towering scholar, journalist, educationalist, legal expert, social reformer, and political visionary. Dr. Ambedkar's contribution to our nation are unparalleled. Not only he is a great scholar, not only he is a great educationist, he is not only a great social worker, a social reformer, but above all, he is the most great nationalist of this Mother Bharat. That is where Ambedkar ji is a great man. There were so many offerings for him to convert to the religions which originated not from India but from foreign soil. He refused. He adopted the religion from this soil, that Buddhism he adopted. Why he has done it? Because his love for this soil is more than anything. In spite of his hardship, throughout his life, he has done this. And if we want to really pay a homage to him, the only thing is that we should eradicate untouchability from its roots, even in the remotest isolated villages of this country. That is the only great homage we are paying to him. If the untouchability is not called as a sin, there is no big sin than this in the world. Just because he is born in a particular community, the others have no right to treat him as untouchables. That is where our Ambedkar ji has spent his whole life journey for equality, brotherhood, and self-respect. That is the outstanding personality of our great Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji. Last week when we met in Raj Bhavan, he told me the book chronicles India's journey towards becoming a sovereign democratic republic and highlights Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's monumental contributions in crafting our constitution. It is not drafting the constitution, but it is crafting the constitution, that he has created the constitution so that it will strengthen the Bharat and its democracy, and it will lead as a democratic republic all the time. Certainly this book could not have come at a more appropriate juncture than now, when India is celebrating 75 years as a democratic republic. I congratulated Dr. Narendra Jadhav on this remarkable work. In my role as Governor and Chancellor of Universities, I will recommend the book to the students and the scholars of all the universities. Dr. Ambedkar ji believed that education was the key for liberating socially disadvantaged communities from ignorance, illiteracy, and superstition. In 1945, he founded the People's Education Society to advance the educational interest of the weaker sections, a mission that society continues to pursue with dedication. We all know there is only one single key which will eradicate inequality, which will eradicate the poverty, that is only education. That is the tool which was taken by Baba Saheb, Dr. Ambedkar ji, for the upliftment of the downtrodden. And his vision for India was one of the socio-economic and political transformation, a nation free from casteism and communalism, where education and development reached every corner of the society. It is heartening to know that the grand memorial for Dr. Ambedkar ji is being constructed at the Hindu Mill compound. I am confident that this memorial will serve as an enduring source of inspiration for students, youth, and the citizens across this country. It will remind us for our collective responsibility to work toward a casteless society rooted in the equality, justice, and dignity for all. On this solemn day, I pay my respectful homage to Dr. Bharat Ratna Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji, and they thank the organizers for these commendable efforts in organizing this function. Jai Bhim, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you everyone. Namaskar.